guys, it's April. I've been a nurse for over 15 years and I'm a currently working bedside postpartum nurse. I take care of you and your baby. Today I wanted to talk about how you properly put on an abdominal binder. Abdominal binders are given to you to help secure your abdominal muscles either after a vaginal or a C-section delivery. This will help support your abdominal muscles so they can actually heal properly. It helps relieve pain and just overall provides comfort. So this is my size. It comes in different sizes. Most important thing is you do not want it to go above your bottom rib. So this is my bottom rib right here. A lot of the time I'll see people with it all the way up under their breast. That's a no, okay? So you're gonna find that bottom rib and you're gonna have somebody else help you. This could be anybody. Today it's gonna be my husband. So I am gonna take the non-Velcroed side, and I'll make sure it's one of my ribs, low on your hips, and I'm gonna pull it over to one hip, okay? Now my husband is going to walk in front of me, or like this, and secure it. This is perfect. This is almost impossible to do by yourself, so you do need two people, okay? And then you test it out. There's a little wiggle room, okay? I sit down, I can still breathe. It's lining up with the bottom. Nice and snug around my hips, okay? This is how low it goes. It's like almost like just like halfway down your buns, okay? So like this.